The importance of having a brand halo that lingers into your audience's mind cannot be understated. Yet people uninstall mobile apps despite the fact that they love them. So how can you stay on their radar? What type of information can you put out and share with them? What memory imprint does it leave on your current and potential customers that ties your business into the moments that make their day-to-day lives? Let's try to find the answer and let augmented reality to be a solution. AR apps with dynamic replaceable content, like the ones where face filters are updated timely, can be a perfect option for companies that want to stay present and relevant in their clients' lives. For example, the app for languages learning platform created by Mondly. Languages learning assumes a day-to-day use of the application, so how did Mondly avoid being boring for its users? Company timely updates it with new content, new AR filters, new images, and new words, moving from a simple solution to a complex interactive application with much wider range of features and a greater number of words and scenarios over the year of continuous updates. In the first version of the application, we can see a modest set of animated objects supplemented by words and speech recognition module that allows a student to practice vocabulary and simple conversations. During the next couple of months, developers gradually added a pack of new animated objects and conversational chatbot that sometimes creates weird and funny results of wrong spelling. The next update allowed users to explore labeled details of the objects, for example, animal body parts, or explore the solar system. And then, users got a really amazing object recognition feature that could label real objects and display names of these objects. As a result, Mondly is one of the most popular applications for languages learning today. In fact, it was nominated to be one of the best education startups of the year with whopping 20 million downloads. So, if your goal is to stay in your customer's orbit continuously, you should try to update the content constantly, learn their needs, ask for feedback, and add new features that would drive the experience further. Augmented reality is quite a solution for this task. If you like this video, feel free to explore our other content, like, share, subscribe, or go to our website to read on augmented or virtual reality that transforms the business.